The 2012 Mercedes C-Class Coupe by Mansory. The Mercedes C-Class Coupe is one of the models with the fewest tuning packages. Thankfully, Mansory picked up on that fact and have come out with a new tuning package that will upgrade both the exterior and interior of the luxury coupe. The Mansory package starts off with a cool body kit that includes a new front grille, more pronounced front and rear wheels, new side skirts, and a new rear apron. All of these elements, along with the car's engine bonnet, will be made out of carbon fiber. Any customers wanting more can benefit from Mansory's additional features, including a new front bumper lip, vented bonnet, exterior mirror caps, and a new rear spoiler offered in a variety of options. Just like the exterior, the interior is characterized by the use of carbon fiber. Mansory added a new sports steering wheel and new door sills, both made from the lightweight material.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.